The PicoScope 6000 series is the ultimate USB oscilloscope. High-end features such as serial decoding, mask limit testing and segmented memory are included as standard. It features the fastest sampling, highest bandwidth, deepest memory and fastest waveform update rate of any USB oscilloscope on the market today. The key performance specifications are 4 to 8 channels, 300 to 500 MHz bandwidth, choose between 8-bit resolution or FlexRes flexible resolution models with 8, 10 or 12-bit resolution. Up to 5 gigasamples per second real-time sampling rate, 300,000 waveforms per second, a 16-channel logic analyzer, and an arbitrary waveform generator. Supported by the advanced PicoScope software, these devices offer an ideal, cost-effective package for many applications, including embedded system design, research, test, education, service, and repair. Get your offer today and contact our sales team from Meilhaus Electronic at sales@meilhaus.com or visit our homepage. Please find additional and useful links in the video description below. Thanks for watching.